You might find your Galaxy A55 screen a bit less responsive when using a screen protector, but enhancing touch sensitivity can help. To enable this feature on your Galaxy A55, first pull up the app drawer. Locate and tap on Settings. From there, scroll down and tap on Display. As you scroll down further, you'll see an option labeled Touch Sensitivity. Tap on the switch to the right to enable it. This will immediately improve how quickly the screen reacts to your touch. Since increased sensitivity can lead to more accidental touches, it's also recommended to enable the Accidental Touch Protection feature, found just above Touch Sensitivity. Simply tap on the switch to the right to activate it. With both features enabled, your phone will respond faster to your taps while staying protected against unintended touches, whether it's in your bag or pocket. That's all it takes to make your screen more responsive and protected. I hope this video can help you. Please share the love by liking the video and subscribing to my channel. Thanks for tuning in.